go.
Take and sanctify for your monologue.
Take and sanctify
and sanctify His gift for your monologue. Take and sanctify His gift for your monologue.
Take
and sanctify for your monologue.
Take and
sanctify His gift for your monologue. And sanctify His gift for your monologue. Take and sanctify for your monologue.
Take and sanctify
His gift for your monologue. And sanctify His gift for your monologue.
1, 2, go.
Oh, Chineke, bara mere na onye nwe biko njọ niile mere Chineke bara. Oh, Chineke,
Martin and Martha, I must commend the two of you on your effort in serving the Lord Jesus Christ in His vineyard. You are following the footsteps set by your mother, Elizabeth. She is always in the forefront of our church activities.
Well, thank you so much, Catechist, for your compliment. We promise to continue in our service and worship to God.
Do not relent on your effort, okay?
Okay, sir.
It is only the Lord Jesus Christ that will reward you handsomely.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
God bless you, my children.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sir.
Thank you. Catechist is a very nice man.
Did you say nice?
Yes.
Nice. Okay. Let's go. You said nice.
What's wrong with you both? I thought I told you to always wait at the parish house when you're done with your choir practice. Why are you trekking home?
It's not me, it's Martin that said we should go.
Martins?
Mom, I was so tired and hungry, so I suggested we trek home.
You were so hungry and tired. So I that told you people to always wait at the parish house when you're done. I am stupid. What will people say when they see my children trekking home? What will they say? Martins, come and get inside the vehicle. Let's go.
Mind yourself, fool. Mind yourself. Yeah.
Hey. Look at the time. Just look at the time. We are just arriving from home. Now, go jump down there. Jump down there and kneel down. Kneel down there and elevate your hands above your heads. Look at you. lousy students. You will sleep and sleep and sleep and just woke up late. This school does not tolerate lousiness in any form, in any ramifications. Look at them. Children of Abi, direct descendants of Alasewa. Look at them. Young Okukusekus. Not in this school. Not while I will remain grade 8 teacher in this school. Tell it to anybody.
Master Mario, Master Mario, Master Mario.
My leg is paining me.
Why are you people kneeling down?
Master Mario asked us to kneel down.
Master Mario?
Since.
Oh, Jesus. Get up! Come on! Get up and go to your class! Come on! Who is Master Mario? Nonsense! Look at this. They want me to fall down here. I can never fall down. They're only here to embezzle money. Master Mario, the principal, all of you put together. Master Mario or whatever you call yourself. I don't know what gives to this school. I don't know what you feel like. I don't know what you're feeling like. How dare you kneeling my children down? Who asked you to do that? Please, 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 don't ever kneel my children down again. You get me?
Let me quickly ask you this question. Woman, what's so special about these your children? Because to me, they are just dullards. They don't know anything into it. So what's special that they cannot be punished according to the school rules and regulations?
You don't even know what you're saying. They are so special to me. Anything special on earth, they are like that to me. Master Mario, on no account will you give my children any punishment, subject them to any punishment in this school. As long as I remain here, you don't have the right to do that. So long as it's you, Master Mario, you don't have the right to do it.
And if I don't?
Then dare me. Master Mario, dare me. Dare me!
Get into your classroom.
I pity you. I pity you because you are not even ashamed that they are embodiment of whom you are. In summary.
Master Mario, you are just a chaff. Any day I want to deal with you is a person of like this. I deal with you. You are just chaff. I know why I'm keeping quiet. But damn me!
Aren't you ashamed?
Shut your mouth. Look at you. Shut your mouth.
Okukuseku that have given birth to Junior Okukusekus. So what do we have here? Family of Okukusekus. Shameless woman. Dullard. Your children resemble you in all ramifications.
The vocabularies you're talking about, you don't know anything. You can't say anything. You don't know anything. You've got nothing upstairs.
Can we try ourselves?
Shut your mouth.
Spell Wagadagu for me.
Gentlemen and ladies, can't we observe some decorum here? This place is not a marketplace, and we are by no means market sellers.
Principal, what I am saying is that this man here is infringing on my right and status in this school. And I do not like it.
And I ask you, what status and right are you talking about here? That your children are above the laws and regulations guiding the school or what? Oh, bow down dash. Bow down dash.
Mr. Mario, we are not in the same level. And definitely we do not have the same orientation. So you can talk whatever you want to talk. Yes.
Of course, we are not on the same level because I have been a grade 8 teacher in this school for 24 years. Right? But you are just being posted not quite long time ago. So as you can see, we are not on the same level. More so, I have the real demons and the nitty-gritty that it takes to become grade 8 teacher. You know all that. And I will remain grade 8 teacher before you do whatever you want to do.
Stop deceiving yourself with this long grammar. Stop deceiving yourself with this long vocabulary that are oftentimes are not even right. Stop deceiving yourself, Mr. Mario.
Of course, I do not expect you to comprehend my line of vocabularious exertions. Like you rightly said, we are not of the same level. So when next you are faced with such challenges, you better consult your dictionary. Oh ye people of little learning.
It is your entire generation of mad people that are of little learning. You and you...
Madam Elizabeth, what on earth is this?
Thank you.
Why can't we all behave maturely?
Mr. Principal, you are here and this fake monkey has been abusing me and you said nothing. Oh, I should have known that you two connive in all the illegal activities that is happening in this school. But don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Bow down, dash, you beast of savage. Okukuseku.
Why is Master Mario always angry with me and Martha?
Yes, Mom. That man seems to hate us so much. Every time he sees us, it's just as if he just gets very annoyed.
Envy, jealousy. That's his problem. Your mommy is better off than he is. He has served in the educational sector for more than 30 years, like he said. He has nothing to show for it. He doesn't own a car, I own a car. He doesn't have a house, I have a bungalow house. He doesn't have children, I have two lovely kids like you. So why wouldn't he be jealous? Has to be jealous. When I served Lady Diana, I had a lot of money. I made money. Yes. God, I said half kg. I don't like when I say something nobody listens. Matter. In everything you do, half kg. You see that? Half kg. This is the one you cook, okay? Good. Jesus Christ. Almost 1.5 kg this one.
It's just tomatoes.
I said half kg. What is this? Good. Yeah. You can see that. Half kg. So this is the one you cook. Good. This is the one you cook. No. Get me that. Get me that. On top. Put it. Focus. No, too much. I need to remove one card. Yeah. Okay. That is it. That's the one we cook. Now, measure the yam. 2 inches per person. We're 4. Go on.
Mommy, why do you like measuring everything we need to cook with? Is it not if you are going to eat it, or is somebody going to do something with the food?
Oh. Does it mean you've not heard about the accountability? You need to account for everything you do in life. And that's what we are doing. You measure it 2 inches per person.
The only accountability I know of is the one we'll give to God when we get to heaven. I've never heard of accountability for food that you want to cook with.
There you are. Your mother is only being careful and conservative. As well as saving for the rainy day. That's what I'm doing. Now you measure this. Come on. 2 inches per person. Do it. Remember we're 4. 4. Be fast so I can record it. If I'm not here, I know you. Because I know you.
So you are that intelligent, yet you and your sister never do well in your schoolwork. Huh?
You that is talking. How many exams did you pass when you were his age? Did he even get to his level? Why are you bothering this boy? Eh?
Elizabeth, why is it that each time I try to correct these children, you jump up to their defense?
Why not? Why won't I? It's not after going through the rigors of corrections in school. They will come and suffer in your hands again. No, I don't want that. They don't need to. Allow them. Let them be, please.
No, continue. Me? Continue. Continue. This attitude of yours will definitely lead you to where it is leading you to. My only prayer is that while it does, it should not affect my children negatively.
No. Nothing will happen to them. I don't need anybody to teach me how to get about the affairs of my children. I know how to take care of you.
Mom, Dad, please can we go and eat? I'm so hungry.
Let's go to the table. Where are you going? Are you the man of the house? Don't you know where to eat? Go there. Yes, you can go and sit there, no problem. It's there.
If your daughter don't join the chorus, they smoke ganja. Hey, I advise you. I advise you.
What am I doing?
Why are you doing this to me? Remember, it's Samo.
What am I doing? Don't you know what you're asking me to do is a sin? I'm not doing, I don't want.
Hello. What is wrong in somebody being somebody's friend? What is wrong in it? Even the Bible, I read it in the Bible. In the book of Ecclesiastes, chapter 33, 22. Love ourselves as we love our
It's not Ecclesiastes, so it's not Ecclesiasticum, it's Ecclesiastes. And the place that said it in the Bible is Matthew 22:39. Love thy neighbor as thyself. You don't even know the Bible.
Okay. Are you sure? Hey, but it doesn't matter. What matters is that love is there. It is that love that the Bible asks us to show our neighbor. That is the type of love I want to show on you. Hello.
Please, I'm gonna go. You cannot even lock your zip where you're toasting a woman. Please, shut up, Enoch. Leave me alone.
Samuel, what is it? What is the problem?
Hey! Are you okay? Good boy?
Why do you always speak on girls?
Martins touched me. Martins, what is your business if I discuss anything with Helen? What is your business?
Hey, wait a minute. What are you feeling like? No, I want to know. What are you feeling like?
Oh boy, they there.
Matter don't change now. Chance now. Matter don't change.
You want to know what I feel like? Martins, I feel like pushing you. What will you do?
Samuel, I'm with the push. Samuel, you don't forget who my mama be for this school.
See, who is your mother?
Martin, you they push me, Samuel.
My friend, your mother is a stupid mother.
Hey!
What will you do? I'll push you again.
Samuel! Samuel, you they push me, say? Samuel, you want fight? Eh? Samuel, you they push me?
Okay, now you they charge Bruce Lee for.
Samuel, you don't go be that.
Now you they charge Bruce Lee.
Samuel! You dey train? Samuel, you dey train? Samuel! You dey train? Samuel!
Since both of you are here, what do you suggest that we do to those boys?
Yes, first of all, Principal, my son Martin is not to blame. According to other students that were there, he was on his own quietly when that nincompoop of a bastard attacked him.
I beg your pardon, woman. You beast of savage. How dare you open your mouth and utter such vivacious poison from your vocal cavity? How dare you, woman?
Mr. Mario, Madam Elizabeth, I will not tolerate any such act of disrespect as exhibited by both of you the last time. Now, in consequence of such act of disorder, those two boys must be penalized by manual labor and...
I disagree with you, Mr. Principal.
What?
Yes, I disagree to that. My son Martin will not be punished because he was defending himself from an offending animal that almost attacked him fatally. I will not stand here and watch you punish my son unjustly. It will not work.
Did you hear that, Principal? Did you hear her? Look at this failed esophagus that will soon start suffering from the sickness of elementary canal that could even affect his medulla oblongata. Look at that. Did you hear her? Balderdash. Balderdash.
Madam Elizabeth, will you therefore stand in for your son? Because it's imperative that those two boys must be punished, whether you like it or not.
Endorsed, Principal. Totally. Kuku Seku. Senior Okuku Seku. Endorsed, Principal. That is the right thing to do.
Nonsense! Martin! Come on, come on, come on! Come on! This is yours?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on! Come! Give me! Nonsense! You, make sure you finish the whole land! Okay? Let's go! Come on! My son! Nonsense! Oh! Can you imagine?
Jabez, you are a good man, yo. No work, no job, I say no money. Your wife would disrespect you because say no money, no work, no better.
Martin.
Yes, Dad.
I am sorry I took you out of bed. But you see, there are certain things I need to put straight to you as a father. I listened attentively when your mother was recounting what transpired in your school earlier today, and I must be frank with you. She was wrong. Oh yes, she was wrong to have taken you out of a punishment imposed by the principal of the school on you and Teacher Mario's nephew. It was a clear case of two fighting, which is against the rules and regulations of the school. So whatever punishment I applied to that young man also applied to you. I am talking to you, my friend. What's wrong with you?
Jabez, do you know what time is it? What are you telling my son that you wouldn't allow him have his well-deserved rest?
Elizabeth, I beg your pardon. Martin is my son as well.
And so? Is that why you went and disturbed his sleep? Jabez.
So, are you telling me that I have no right to discuss with my son?
Jabez, discuss with him during day, not night, not when everybody will be sleeping. Please, don't disturb my son. Please. You, go to bed. Go back to bed. Go back to your room. Are you deaf? Don't allow me shout, please. Go to your room.
Will you sit down there? Sit down!
Yeah?
What's wrong with you?
Yes? Jabez, are you okay? Martins, to your room. Right this minute. Don't allow me shout again, please.
Martin!
To your room!
Martin!
Good night.
Martin! Olatuoke, go and sleep. Let me see your legs.
Okay.
No problem.
Easy now, easy.
I know it will be painful.
Martha, it's painful. Are you a doctor?
I'm your doctor.
You are not my doctor. You are not my doctor. This boy.
Hi, Martha. Hi, Martins. Please, can I see you outside briefly?
Hey, say whatever I want to say here and now.
Let me just talk to him outside, please.
It's alright, sister. Let me just leave a word with her.
Please.
I'll join you later. Soon.
Thank you.
It's a word you said you wanted to leave, oh. I don't know where you people are going.
I want to say thank you. Thank you very much for rescuing the land on that Samoan guy.
Accepted.
Now, cheer up.
Are you still here?
Thank you. Oh, I forgot. Please, I'm sorry. Senior. Sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry, yeah?
Thank you.
Sure.
What does she want?
Nothing special. She just want to thank me for saving her from the scourge of Samuel.
Jesus Christ. That's Samuel self. What is even wrong with that boy? He's always looking for trouble everywhere.
I don't know if I should say that the hemp he smoked has gotten into the brain.
Hemp? He smokes hemp?
I never said so.
You just said now that you don't know if the hemp he smoked has gotten
Martha,
into...
please, can we change the topic? Please.
How do you know he smokes hemp?
Let's go back to the class.
Come on, let's go.
Jabez, this is the original dry gin.
Now fake. Drink this thing if you want drink.
This one that you just brought this dry gin now, you will not let me hear.
You won't put respect for them, but you will make it. In the last how many years you don't drink original this thing like this?
I don't blame you.
But seriously, I am shocked. I'm really surprised at what you just told me. That thieves came to this community, vandalized that woman's shop.
I am telling you that they almost removed everything in her shop. Jabez, the way you are sounding, you are surprising me. Oh. I am surprised. How is it that you are the only one in this community who is not aware of the happenings in this community?
This is strange. Really strange.
Okay, now, last night, this night of yesterday, you know Mazi Elibe by the bridge. Now, yes, they entered into his house, removed the battery in the vehicle and left with the battery.
You lie. That is a joke.
To God who made me, they removed it. You think I'm joking?
That one is not possible.
So I will be lying.
How can they enter? How did they manage to break into Elibe's well-fortified compound to steal?
That is exactly what everybody in this village are asking right now.
Hey!
That is the question. As we speak now, they are organizing Vigilante group to fight those criminals.
That's okay. But do you know the criteria for becoming a member?
Mazelibe, no, he didn't tell me. Okay, he said it's voluntary. It's for able-bodied men like me.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. In that case, I think I should join myself.
You will?
Oh yes, my brother. Ha! If thieves could break into Mazelibe's well-fortified compound, who is safe anymore in this community?
Nobody.
Aha. Nobody is safe in this community. And of course, you know my stand on matters of peace and security.
Yes.
I am an advocate of peace and security.
Exactly.
So this is an opportunity for me to contribute my quota towards the insurance of peace.
As able-bodied men, we can.
Baba Dashio, Jagonio.
Edwin Johnson.
Good afternoon, Samari.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Please come and sit down.
How is work?
This one you are visiting. I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Actually, I came to see you on the account of my boy Paul.
Account of your boy. You're welcome. So what is it?
You see, for some time now, he has not been doing well academically. And as his guardian, it gives me great concern. So I came to solicit for your help.
Help? My help?
Yes.
In what way? In what form would you want me to help? Where do I come in?
I wouldn't want you to see it as anything. I've just come to show my appreciation. I just want you to have this as a token from me.
Edwin.
I promise you, immediately I see improvement in his results.
Yes.
I'll do better.
This is good. Eddie, this is pendulum oscillating at its 360 degrees. Halitosis and pendulum combined together. Good. Now, tell your boy to see me tomorrow in my office. First thing,
Tomorrow? Yes, I'll do that.
Okay.
I'm so grateful, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I will tell him I won't forget.
Anybody will find you so much smoking, you go give him a pass mark. Master Mario, business that good for
halitosis.
Onyafia, Master Mario, business that good. Baba Dashio, Onyafia, young go for kuse, Onyafia, business that good.
Halitosis.
Make una see.
Ọmọ July, afọgala na-ekwu na ịnwere ime ndị mmadụ ka amagoro ikpe ọnwụ maka ọgbaghara ha
They disrespect you because they no money. No.
Martins, have you finished reading? Is it interesting?
No, Daddy, but I want to ask you something.
Yeah? What is it?
Daddy, why do you want to join the Vigilante group?
Which Vigilante? Who told you I want to join the Vigilante?
I have heard you discussing with Uncle Ndubisi.
Martin!
Daddy.
So, you mean while you were supposed to be reading your book, you were busy eavesdropping on two elders, having a private discussion? Aha! Young man, that is not a good character.
I'm sorry, Daddy, but I couldn't help it hearing both of you. I'm sorry.
Well, I sat down and thought of it. Why don't I join hands with other well-meaning members of this community to combat this very ugly crime that has reared its head in our vicinity? Yes, sir. Or is there anything wrong with that?
And considering how risky this job is, and your age.
Which age? Look at you. How old is your father? Young man, your father is fit. Okay. Don't forget that I was in the army. Even though it was Biafra army. But it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I believe you.
Of course. A soldier is always a soldier.
It's okay.
Oh, God. Oh, was that your problem? Nah, no, but your father is fit.
I believe you.
Of course. So, is it interesting?
Oh, it is somehow interesting.
Somehow?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, because you have not finished it. In our days, within 30 minutes, we finish a dictionary.
Madam Elisa. Madam Elisa.
Mommy, did you ask Daddy why he wants to join the Vigilante?
Why should I? If he wants to join the local police, why should I care? In fact, what do you expect from an idle man like him? A lazy man. What do you expect? Ha!
I thought they said Vigilante is for young people.
Your father has almost outlived his years on earth. If he wants to put his life at risk, that is his business. Jump inside the vehicle, let's go to school. Put on your seatbelt.
Now, let me tell you, if you don't have any problem with your uncompromising attitude and these incentives,
They can never take care of any place. Look at, they want me to fall down one day in this school, but I can never.
by way of motivation, you don't have any problem. We'll be doing our best, utmost best.
It's okay. That's why I can't know you.
It's all right. Yes. As usual. As usual. It's nothing.
Jesus Christ.
All right. Thank you.
Come and see.
All right.
See you. Marion Elisa. Every day now so.
Madam Elizabeth, do you have any proof of what you just told me?
What are you talking? Principal, tell me, what are you talking? I said I saw Master Mario collecting bribe from a parent within the school premises. What other proof do you want?
All I'm saying is that it is not substantiated. Because you cannot really say that what you saw was bribery or...
Sorry, You mean I am a daft? Or maybe I didn't say clearly or apparently I cooked up the story. Is that what you're saying? Oh God, what is really happening in this school? What is it?
Nothing out of the ordinary, my dear madam.
Oh, nothing out of the ordinary. Principal, I can see that Master Mario has a lot of bad influence in this school. And you two connive in all the illegal things happening in this school. You all embezzle money that comes into the school. You don't do anything. But you know what? I am going to tame Mario. And that goes for every person in this school, including you, the principal.
I beg your pardon.
I mean every bit of word that comes out of this mouth. Yes.
What kind of a woman is this? How did they post a woman like this in such a decent school as my school? As the principal of this school, I have never seen any teacher like this woman in my entire life.
Eliza, my dear. In fact, I'm so much impressed the way you tackled that woman, Edgemma, at the meeting yesterday. Yeah. That woman has become too much. No problems. You know, I can never say where things are going wrong and I keep quiet. That was why I had to tackle her like that, because all those oh no, I don't like it. That was why I had to speak to her like that. Thank God we have someone like you in the league. Glory be to God. To me, you will be our next leader. Edgemma must step down. Because we need a woman that has fear of God. A woman that can stand up for the interests of her people. You're right. A woman with so much credibility. You can say that again. Thank you so much. Look at the way you trained your children. They are living the life of emulation. In fact, how I wish my own children would be like yours. As well. Thank you so much, but I know I won't have such time to be a leader. I know whatever you people do, I must always be there. When I have the time though, but to be your leader, it will not be possible. Let Madam Edgemma or whatever you call her, let her still be the leader. I can't. But when they are doing anything wrong, I must correct it. I don't take any rubbish. That's just the thing. But my son told me the way they used to sit together in the class with your children. Their performance in the class. Hey, please, don't deny us that leadership. So my children, they've gained so much popularity as well. Even in the church, the parish priest talks good about their comportment, their performance in the church activities and in the choir as well. Can a snake beget anything short in length? No, certainly not. A lioness must give birth to her kind. This is Elizabeth for you. I love you and your family. I love you and I love your family. I wish my own would be like you. Thank you, thank you. I thank God for you. Thank you. And your family.
I wish to welcome you all to this Parents Teachers Association meeting, which is a forum put in place for the periodic interaction between parents and teachers, for the purpose of developing and harnessing the potentials of our children and reconstruction of some facilities in our school. Because as we know, government alone cannot rescue all inadequacies in our bid to help nurture our children to becoming or achieving greater goals in life. As such, we the teachers and management of this great institution call for this meeting to bring to your notice, the parents, that money is needed for the reconstruction of our school hall and rehabilitation of some of our broken down furniture. Also for roofing some of our classrooms blocks. Which is why we have called a PTA levy for 10,000 naira per student. 10,000 naira. Meanwhile, the floor is very open for anyone who has anything to say.
Thank you, our able principal, our teachers, my fellow parents and guardians. Considering what you just said about the levy, 10,000 naira per student, personally, I think it's on the high side.
Can you imagine?
10,000 naira per student. Things are hard. You people need to be considerate. You need to. I mean, I think I've spoken the minds of my fellow parents.
You're right. As who? No. Spoken the minds of everybody as who? No, tell me now, as who?
Point of correction, Mr. Man. In a forum like this, you will speak for yourself only. Because all that you've said now is totally unacceptable, highly voracious, and totally inconceivable in all ramifications. Okay?
See, let me even ask you, Mr. Man. When did we hold an election, I mean the parents, to appoint you, our spokesperson? Tell me! When did we hold an election to appoint you, our spokesperson? Look at him. Go, don't tell me that. As for you, Mr. Principal, you need 10,000 naira.
Point of correction, 10,000 naira per student.
Yes. Per student. Thief. Why did you complete the list of what they need the money for? You want to repair roof, breaking down furniture, you want to build hall. Why didn't you add that you also need money to buy food for you and your family? Why did you not add that you need money to buy clothes? Thief. When government will declare free education, you pass through the back door to introduce stupid levies. Don't tell me that is enough, my friend. I hate people like this. No. I hate this kind of person.
It's okay.
Who has lighter there? Let me set fire on this baby and burn it.
Please shut up. Shut up, Mr. Man.
So what?
Have you lost your senses? Where is your sentimentality?
Don't you go there!
Hey!
No, leave me!
Don't leave him! Try it and see if you cannot end up in a prison. Stop now!
Me!
I will lock you up! You mad dog!
My dear people, please, let's exhibit some sense of maturity and objective in this deliberation. Please.
Sit down there.
Please, my dear people, let's show some decorum in this meeting.
I want to seize this opportunity to air my own view now before I'll forget what I am supposed to say. Mr. Principal, first of all, you're all welcome, parents. Thank you. You're welcome. Mr. Principal, I watched the faces of our parents while I was seated here, and I saw something. I just want to make you understand that these people can barely feed themselves. And I heard you said they are to pay levy of 10,000 naira. Can you hear yourself well? It's too much. They can barely feed themselves. Watch the kind of people that are seated here, and you're asking them to pay the sum of 10,000 naira. Oh, it's ridiculous. It's too much. I can't take it, please.
Madam Elizabeth, I am surprised you are the one saying this. Were you not part of the decision to?
No, I was part of the meeting ahead of this, but not part of the conclusion. There's no way I can conclude with you 10,000 naira for this kind of people I'm seeing here. It's not possible.
Principal, have you seen why I have always referred to this woman as a two-faced rebel? You are two-faced rebel. And I know where you're going to, but I won't allow you to get there. Two-faced rebel.
No, I didn't hear that.
Your wife is a two-faced rebel.
She's a rebel.
Permission to kill.
Huh?
No.
Kill. Come. Leave that man. Leave him.
No, come on.
No. Try it and see if you cannot end up in the prison. Try it.
Do you know that Madam Elizabeth? That woman is the most reasonable and intelligent teacher in that school.
Oh.
Including the principal.
Of course.
Yes.
See, my brother, you can see that again. But my worry and concern is that of, what do you call his name again? Mario.
Yeah?
That man gave me much worry.
That rogue. If I tell you how much that man has collected from me just to make sure that my son Paul passes the exam, you won't believe it. That man has finished me. But what can we do?
Even you. Do you know that man has consumed more than 100 tubers of yam from my barn? Not to talk of the chickens. You see the money I gave to him regularly. Yet, nothing is done. That man has ruined my life. I'm finished.
My condition is even better. That man is an ingrate. He is an ingrate. Hey! The one that baffles me most is all those grammar that are not even correct. Speaking rubbish.
Hi. My pain is that he collects all the money, the chickens, the rice, the yams, and yet he will not do what you ask him to do. Is it fair?
I think I know what to do. You see, I think I know what to do. I think from now, I am going to channel all my resources to Madam Elizabeth.
EJ?
That woman, that is the person I'm going to channel my resources to now.
Same with me.
Go on.
Me too.
I will go first, wait. I will go first.
That's me.
I am going to her.
Of course.
But I told you, sir. I did. I told you that that woman's transfer to this school would not paint us any good. Just look at the way the woman and the husband almost caused riot, trying to turn the parents against the students, against the school authority, thereby putting the antecedent of this school to disrepute. What the hell?
Honestly speaking, if I were you,
I will put up a protest letter, a strong one, to the Education Board or even Ministry of Education, so that they will deal with her ruthlessly. Yes, look at that. I cannot continue to take that. I will not take it lying low and allow her painting the school in bad image. It is not done anywhere. Bow the dash. Sit up, and deal with her accordingly.
That woman is becoming nothing but a nuisance in our mix.
Of course, that's what she is.
And something has to be done.
Seriously.
Real fast.
Sit up. Nonsense. Bow the dash. Look at that okukuseku.
But how could you? How could you have this poor result?
Mom, I can't even explain this, honestly.
I don't know. I read for this exam and I wrote a lot. This result, I don't think it's my result.
Even me.
Maybe they changed it.
In fact, don't worry, my children. I think I know why you were failed. Yes. Master Mario must have masterminded it. Yes, He did it to get back at me. Because I disgraced him at the last PTA meeting. But don't worry, I am bigger than him. The principal, all the teachers put together, I am bigger than all of them. In fact, I am taking you children higher.
Hi. Hi, how?
Yes! It's a surprise.
A surprise?
It's a surprise that I'm going to give the two of you. Big surprise.
Yes! Mama!
Great connection. Let's go inside.
I suspected this result.
Stop. Did you read?
Did you read? Why you not peep from
Come in and stop arguing! Come in!
Nobody changed
You peep!
Nobody changed your result. You failed.
Made able-bodied men like us to lose our sleep constantly, every night, deserves nothing but cold death.
Jabez is talking from the standpoint of a retired soldier that he is.
No wonder. On the contrary, I am talking from the standpoint of the fact that I abhor anyone stealing from another.
Who goes there? Who is there? Who is there? Stop here! Who goes there?
Young man. Doc! I can't blame you. How can I blame you?
No.
It is not your fault.
No,
it is entirely my own fault. I don't blame you. How can a wife that I called my own tell me before my own children that I don't have much to do with the choices she makes for them? Me! It appears I am becoming too soft in this house. But today, we will settle all of this. You will come back here to meet me. Yes! No problem.
Papa Martin, good evening, sir.
Is there a problem?
Is your son Martin at home?
Martin? Is there... Martin! He went for choir practice with his sister. But I hope there's no problem.
Oh, yeah, no, ma. Say, Papa Martin, what Martin did to you?
Did to who?
Martin, he took me. Are you deaf? No, Mama. Can't you talk? Oh, yeah, I'll tell you what he did to you.
What is he?
Are you deaf? Oh, yeah, talk. Stupid girl.
And you, Mama Numa, why don't you tell me yourself what it is if you feel there's a problem?
Pa Martin, your son Martin impregnated my daughter, Enoma.
Put her away. Hey! You have failed! So this is your plan. It will not work for you. Who? Martin that does not know how to do anything. You tell me he give us belle? How? He put our granite, make it chop. Stupid. A boy that any moment from now they will make him either a catechist or next to father. People want to spoil his name. It will not work for you. Look at her. Come on, remove your hand from there.
Show him.
Wait, are you even sure of what you are talking about?
You are asking if I'm sure of what I'm talking about. It's my daughter stupid that she doesn't know who got her pregnant. If not for the respect I have for you,
akali mi doli chicheyen doli obodo ni na ka bakoli mununu obodo ni na ka anu onu mununu Mba Martin. Anyway, you should think of what to do to this pregnancy. I will be back.
My pikin, no. You don't give person belle. You don't give who person belle. My pikin, no. My pikin, no. You don't give a person belle.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, this nonsense has to stop. This rubbish you people are doing in this school has to stop.
How dare you come to my office and you talk to me without decorum?
Spare me with those words. Spare me!
Madam Elizabeth, why are you so rude?
Madam Elizabeth is rude because of somebody like you, Mr. Mario, and every other person in this school that wants my downfall. I will take it. I will not.
Can I ask you one question?
You can ask.
What is it that Mr. Mario did to you?
Master Mario masterminded the failure of my children in this school, and I am going to deal with him.
You know what your problem is? Somebody needs to pep talk you, and I'm going to be the one to do that. Your children failed because they couldn't pass the exams, like other children who were committed to their books. Please don't blame Master Mario for your children's inability to read and understand. They failed because of their laxity in life. Bye.
Is that what you believe? Is that what you believe? Wait for me. Wait for me, Mr. Principal. You call yourself principal, you embezzle money in this school, you don't take care of anything. You call yourself Mr. Principal. Wait for me.
Children. Writing nonsense. Good roads. Oh, no. What is this cacophonous and nasal inversion that I am perceiving in the air? My, oh my. Oh, this is irritating. What a cacophonous nasal inversion that I am perceiving. Can't find it. What? Come. Samuel!
Good afternoon, sir.
Samuel?
Sir?
Why are you shivering?
Not.
Or rather, why is your composure distorted?
Oh, it's not.
Did I hear you said nothing?
Hi!
Now answer me, are you deaf? I said, why is your composure distorted?
Hi!
Dismembered? Why?
Hi!
What's that?
Nothing.
Hi. Meaning, are you okay?
Yes.
What's wrong with you?
Hi! Jesus! Fire! Fire!
Fire?
Fire!
Hey! Fire! Come back here! Come back here, you! Come back! Oh, my. So, this boy has turned into a smoker? A chain smoker! Right under my nose in my compound? Now, this is capable of shifting his equilibrium.
his medulla oblongata can dismiss the most. Look at him. Who knows whether he has even started smoking weed, Indian hemp. Mashallah. I pity you. I pity you. So this is it. This is it. You stop this oscillation or rigmarole so that you will not test my kinetic abilities. You must know I have it. I am an enigma. I have bundle of energy. So if you oscillate further, I am going to track you down. Right? I said shut!
I know. Uncle, please, sorry. I will not do it again, I swear.
Which of them are you not going to repeat? Is it smoking cigarette? Or the awesome? Shut!
Please, sorry. I will not do it again, I swear. Just kill me.
Stop swearing because you have been swearing all your life. Shut up! With your father's grave. And I am yet to see the real transformation in you. I am yet to see that. Look at you. You've grown to smoking. A secondary student.
Uncle, please now. Uncle, please. Quiz temptation.
Shut up! That temptation got you. It got you very well. Fool. Do you really think that you are still a small boy?
No, nobody.
Read and do your assignments. Mba. Now, this is the time to expunge the desired punishment in you by completing the 12 strokes of cane. Now, give it to me. All right, sit and raise your leg. Come on, raise it up. 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 I said raise it up. Raise it up. Are you mad? Don't you know it is unethical for a small boy like you to start smoking? You don't know all that. Look at you.
I swear.
In your life. Are you sure?
Yes.
Tomorrow I will begin to see you with a woman. Tomorrow I will see you with a woman.
Uncle,
look at you.
Uncle, please.
Vagabond. All right. Now, I've heard you, and I've heard your apology. Now I want you to lie down completely and kiss the sand. That will remind you the last day you smoke. Kiss the sand. Quickly. Let your mouth drop. Quickly. Good. I'm famous. Right. Drop back to the backyard and continue. I said go. Move. Vagabond. You're smoking at this age. Dangerous smoking. Inferno. What are you people doing here? Busybody? Want to go back to your houses and let me train my child, discipline my child? Inferno! Look at him, smoking out his life at this age. Don't worry, I am going to deal with him. Inferno!
Who is that?
Mommy, it's me.
My daughter? Oh, come in.
Why did you lock the door?
I thought it was your father. Did you lock it well?
Yeah.
Okay. Thought it was a fire.
Mommy, so when you're smiling like this, are you okay?
I'm okay. It's just that I was counting my money. So I thought it was your father coming. Okay.
Mommy! Don't make noise. What are you doing with this kind of money?
Hello. You don't make noise. It's my money. I don't go to the bank.
How did you get this money?
I keep my money in the house. I spend from home.
Hey. All this money.
Yeah, I was bringing out, my site. I was bringing out money that I'll give the laborers there. So when I heard the knock on the door, I thought it was your father. You know what? I'm bringing out this money for you to say because I love you so much. I have you at heart.
Okay.
Your father, your brother, they don't know about this money.
Oh.
So, let me just count it and keep it again.
You have this kind of money, yet you measure everything we eat in this house.
I've warned you not to spend money anyhow. When I was with Lady Diana, we count money. We don't spend money anyhow. Yes.
So.
You would allow me write my lesson note because you feel you're Jabez. Jabez, Jabez, what do you think you are? What do you think you are? Huh? What is all this? You are complaining about food. It's food. You complain about the... Are you not ashamed of yourself, Jabez, or whatever you call yourself?
You are the one who should be ashamed of yourself.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Upon I'm the one that is feeding you in this house. Are you not ashamed? I give you food, you're complaining. Are you okay?
You are the one who should be ashamed of yourself in case you don't know. Oh yes. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Tell me the reason.
Before you cook, measure yam, rice, measurement, beans, measurement, oil, measurement, pepper, measurement. Are you the first teacher in
Shut your mouth!
Get out of here!
Shut your mouth!
Get away from here.
You're talking like this because you don't earn money. If you work and earn money, you appreciate the value of money. You appreciate what I do for you in this house. You appreciate the way I feed you in this house.
Yes. You are the first woman in this country to earn money and feed her family. Are you not? No, answer that.
No, Jabez.
Answer that.
Jabez, earn money. Work. Look for a responsible work and do and earn money. And feed your family. He's a responsible man feeds the family, not the woman, not the other way.
This is why they give us all the food. No, I want to know. This is why they give us now food. Let's put rice for mouth to be like potash. Now it be food.
If I don't take care of you, can this your tummy that if I use this and do it, boom, it's going to go off. Are you okay?
Who even know? Not be all this poisonous food where they give me chop, they make a big.
You call it poison. You call the food I give you poison. Don't worry. I know what to do.
Do you know that I'm surprised that you are still retaining that job?
If I don't teach them well, they won't retain me in the school. If I am not good, they won't allow me to be there. I've been there for years now, so don't make noise. Go and look for something to do and earn money and appreciate the value of money.
No problem. God Almighty, I know you are there. And I know that very soon you will get me out of this bondage. Your matter no go help me to settle. If you not die, me go wrong, pack me this marriage. You see now, we're not figuring this for marriage. I go pack come up for this trap. What will be marriage? Mundu.
I think you might have to stop coming here. Because I wouldn't want Eliza to embarrass you one of these days. See, that thing I told you about how she treats me is getting worse by the day. So, I don't know. I wouldn't want her to embarrass you in any way.
Jabez, before now, I've already concluded I would not come here again. I've made up my mind. See, everybody in the entire village knows how wicked and heartless Elizabeth, your wife, is. Did I tell you what she did to my wife and I 2 weeks ago in a function?
Eliza?
I didn't tell you. How Elizabeth embarrassed my wife and I. Jabez, Elizabeth, your wife, was sharing food. According to her, she said my wife and I, we were not properly dressed like others. Eliza will carry food like this and be given to people by my side like this. When I stretch my hand out to collect it, she will just pass me by.
Ndobusi, to be very honest with you,
If not that this marriage has produced children,
and very grown-up children at that, I would have long considered opting out. Oh yes.
How are you going to do that? You just wake up one morning, pack your things, put in your bag, hang your bag, and run out of your matrimonial home because of a woman, a retired soldier like you, Jabez.
Leave that thing. What is soldier? A bad woman has no respect for authority. A bad wife will reduce a lieutenant general to a footmat. Okay, if I hit her one day, okay, if I get annoyed and hit her one day and she dies, won't the government charge me with a murder? Huh?
You are in order, Jabez. You are in order. But Jabez, this is Africa. Not Oyibo land, foreign land, where a man will just wake up one morning and say, I don't need this marriage again. No. It is a taboo for an African man to abandon his matrimonial home for a woman. No. It's a taboo. Your tigress is coming. Let me go before you know how she behaves now.
No worry. I'll see you later.
Jabez.
Daddy, good afternoon.
I stunned to see your friend leaving.
Yes, just left.
He just left. He left because he saw me.
Why would he leave because he saw you?
Yes.
Is he owing you? Elisa, when will you stop picking on people unnecessarily? Eh?
Jabez, I'll stop picking on Ndubisi the very moment he gets useful to himself. I'll stop picking on you too the very moment you two are useful to yourselves. You stop gossiping like market women. You're gossiping like market women because you don't have anything doing. You're seated in the house doing nothing. Get useful to yourself, Jabez.
Mommy.
Shut your mouth. In fact, let's go in and get useful to ourselves. Let's be doing something. See you.
See wife. See wife. Who no marry no better pass this one?
Samuel!
So the
what's the meaning of that?
XY minus Y2 give you...
Meaning what? What is SY minus Z square? Are you mad? What are you people doing here?
Uncle, I'm just teaching her quantitative analysis.
You are teaching her quantitative analysis? Taught by who? Who taught you that?
The teacher now.
By the way, is that the way to position yourselves to study? You are here romancing her. You think I didn't see you? I saw you clearly, visibly. Look at the two of you. Do you know what you are? You are Amweba produce. That's what you are. Now stand up and get inside. Go inside and you. Stand up. Start going. Go home now. Parameshun Kaldatu. Look at you. Sudiopodia. Sudiopodia. You Glina Waridis. That's what you are. Parameshun Kaldatu. You Glina Waridis. species of microorganisms. Fools! All right.
Mr. Teacher, teach me nonsense. English teacher, English teacher, English teacher. I say I want to learn you. English teacher, go kuku say English teacher. 1 + 1 equals 2, Master Mario. Onye teacher, your wahala be say you too much in the block.
I will see the end of this school.
You look like someone who has been working.
Do you know, girls, my own holidays was very, very hot. I mean, you know that my parents could not even allow me.
Our school don't turn to business background.
Keep on reading my books.
Anybody will find you some more smart thing. You go give them a pass mark. Master Mario. Business that good for school. Mario. Waiting there for sketchy, the sweet and passive.
Girls sitting out here dissipating instead of you engaging your brains in some elemental mental rejuvenation. Right now. You shut up, all of you. None of you here can tell me the timetable of this school. None of you either can tell me the period of this school. I am not so daft. The break is over. Now, all of you. Enter classroom quickly. Are you hailing? Come over here. Come over here.
The two of them they
Follow
fight
me
for
right
power.
now. Follow me.
Nothing, sir. We're just talking about our individual experiences during the holiday.
And so you divulged your own secret to them?
No, sir. No.
Not really?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Helen, not really?
Yes, sir.
All right, let me warn you that on no account whatsoever should you divulge your secret to anybody. Am I understand? Now rush back to your classroom. Quickly.
You, hey, come on, stop here.
And you, get inside the classroom quickly.
Don't worry, I'll see you in the class.
And you are not seeing her anything.
Mr. Mario.
Yes.
What were you doing with a female student at the back of school block during school hours?
I beg your pardon, Madam Elizabeth. What are you insinuating?
I am insinuating that it's very strange and odd for a male teacher to be found with a female student in an uncompromising circumstance. That is what I am insinuating.
What a malicious verbal turbulence. How callously vile and ridiculous you are. Huh? You beast of a woman. How dare you emit such veracious accusations on my personality? How dare you? Huh? Do you think I am as debased and uncanny as you are? Look at you, you little consequence.
Mr. Mario, all these long vocabularies has never helped you. It's not helping you and will never ever help you. I told you, any move you make in this school will not go unnoticed so long as I remain a teacher in this school. It is not enough that you have a cousin that is misbehaving. It is not enough. You are as well having meetings with female students. Yes.
Oh, Baldadas.
I got you. No.
Oh, Baldadas.
No problem.
I think I have received enough of this insolence from you vagabond. Baby. How are you today?
I'm fine, Master Mario.
You started again. I told you not to address me by Master Mario. I called me by my name, my first name, okay?
Okay.
Good morning, students.
Good morning,
Elizabeth. Hi. I always say, good morning, Mrs. Elizabeth. Can I hear it?
Good morning, Mrs. Elizabeth.
Good. Oh. Sorry. I was slightly interrupted by... Like I was saying...
Can I go now? I have a class to attend.
But won't you give me an answer to my proposal now? Huh? So, huh? Hey! Huh? Maybe this will be my reward for all the suffering in this school. Tina, one.
Come here. Come. Stand here. I saw you earlier today with Mr. Mario. Would you mind telling me what he was discussing with you?
Any problem, madam?
Oh, she's asking any problem. Could you please tell me what he was discussing with you, please?
Well, madam, he proposed to me.
Hi! Proposed to you?
Yes, ma'am.
And what did you tell him?
Let me think about it.
You told him you wanted to think about it?
Yes.
Bad. Very bad. Now listen and listen good. Mr. Mario is not good for you. Mr. Mario is just a mere teacher like you. Are you hearing me?
Yes, madam.
I can see prospect in your two eyes, great one. Go out there and get a man of your choice and get married to the man, okay?
Madam, is there any problem?
She's asking if there's any problem. That's a great problem. It's not good for you. I've told you because I love you. I don't want you to get married to that mere teacher like you. Like I said earlier, I saw great prospect in your two eyes. Go out there and get a man of your choice. Did you get me?
Yes, madam.
Good. And let no one hear about what I told you now. Thank you. Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You're welcome.
This is granite. Hope so pepper salt there.
Yes, very fresh.
No, salt no there. How much is the boss?
It's 10 naira, sir.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Okay. Might take 3.
Take it.
You get any drink with you? Okay, give me la casara. From down, no? You are waiting well.
Yes, I know. How many?
Just bring one.
Yeah. This one, okay.
Yes, it's okay.
Wait, customer.
No, it's okay. 150, happy?
Jesus Christ. My money, oh, is lost. No, it can't be. Where is this boy? All the money that I sent today. No, I know this boy very well. He's the son of Madam Elizabeth in our church. It can't be. Hey, our Reverend Father knows the family very well. It can't be. Oh. Hey! Thief! My money!
Titi, my dear. Titi, love. This one that you are not talking, am I really disturbing you? Is there anything that I'm distorting that is your program?
Oh God, what is it? What is it again?
All right. I'll tell you what it is. I'll tell you why I stopped you. You see, Tina, I want you to tell me how far that you have considered my proposal now. And,
Look, Master Mario, or whatever name you called yourself, I am very, very busy, as you can see.
All right. But you see, I don't even like the way you are addressing me. You address me these days as if we have a bitter issues to sort out. What's going on now?
I've had enough. I've had enough, Master Mario.
Tina. And what do you think you are doing, you cruel hag?
Excuse me? What did you just call me?
A hag. That's what you are. Definitely, that's what you are. Now you tell me, why would you fabricate such lies against me? Especially to Tina. Why? Now the entire school is agog with the fallacy that I took advantage of a female student.
Wow!
Oh, you find it hilarious. You are happy, isn't it? Don't you?
Master Mario, or whatever you call yourself. So you followed me to my side just to come and talk nonsense. Huh? No problems. But I just want to let you know that I don't have to obtain permission from you before I laugh. I got my right to laugh, okay?
Elizabeth, would you mind telling me why you lied against me? Why? Why did you lie against me? What have I done to you that warrant you are telling Tina that I have something to do with Helen? Patricia said, daughter, what business of yours is that?
Master Mario, I came to inspect my site. I'm happy you're even here. You can take a look. Just watch, see what I do, you know. The sun is too hot for me to stand here and answer your questions. I was about leaving when you came. So if you want to inspect my site for me, you can do that while I take off, please.
Don't take the rubbish.
Don't
hit that. See,
thank you for shutting my
I
door.
am going to deal with you. Badash.
You've been making noise, you will deal with me, and I've been dealing with
Watch
you.
out! Soon! Very soon! Okukuseku! Okukuseku!
Can you listen to my music? Can you listen to it?
That's a brothel music! Brothel music! That's the kind of music I hear in Akunakuna's headquarters! Okukuseku! Okukuseku! Excuse me, Mr. Jabez.
Good afternoon.
I am here with a sorrowful heart. By the way, where is that Jezebel that you call your wife? Where is she?
How dare you?
I beg your pardon. What gives you the impetus to come to my house and call my wife some stupid names? Who are you?
You want to know who I am? Well, I'll tell you. I am Master Mario.
I don't care if you are Mistress Pamplo or whatever you choose to call yourself. Listen, if you have anything to say, say it now and walk out.
Now you listen to me. Listen very well. Your wife has been encroaching on my affairs, and I want you to warn her. Warn her to desist from my business. Did you get that?
Your business?
Yes. Warn her.
What is that business of yours that I asked?
Sir, it is none of your business. After all, it is my personal life. And that is the message I have come to drop. Warn her. Warn her! Let her desist. Good day.
Oh, God. Eh?
Let her try it some other time. I will dismantle her. Dislodge her.
Okay, what business do you have with my wife? It is none of your business. Oh! Gone. This one is gone. Why is it difficult for government to just take some people, take them to the psychiatric hospital, check their head properly before giving them appointments? Look at teacher. Look at teacher. I'm sure this one has gone to read all these 7 books of Moses because woo! Gone. Bye. Nonsense. Aha, you, what you be the talk? No?
The National Coordinator of the Cancer Control Program of the Federal Ministry of Health, Dr. Amaechi Hassan.
Next time you know how to dress. Remove that. Remove it. Remove it. Put it. Keep quiet. Did I tell you anything about this your hair? Did I? I did. Look at him. I must use him as an example. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. It applies to all of you. Once you're unkempt, I take care of you myself. My sister can't even. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Kill this boy. He's breaking everything. Get me another cane. Get me another cane. Get inside this place and get me another cane. He's breaking everything.
Oh boy, you mean your group caught a thief last night? Aye.
Jabez, you needed to be there. There were 3 in number. I aimed at one, like this. I shot him right in the leg.